Hello. In this video, we are going to look at the problem which was given recently. Aditya saved rupees 5 in the first week of the year. In the first week of the year, Aditya saved rupees 5 and then increased by weekly savings of 1.75. In the nth week, so n is an unknown, his weekly savings becomes became 20.75. So we have to find n. So obviously there is an increased saving over weeks. So this particular problem belongs to arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression, remember that I have listed here. Remember that in arithmetic progression, the first term is considered to be a and the common difference is d. Thus, the second term of the AP will become a plus 2d, the third term becomes a plus 2d, and the nth term obviously will become a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, d is the common difference, there is a common difference, and n is the nth term, which one you want to find out. And on the right hand side, remember that on the right hand side is always n minus 1. There's another formula that is used in arithmetic progression is sum, Sn. The sum which is given by Sn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, whereas n is the whereby the n is the number of terms, nth term. If you want to find out the sum, a is obviously the first term and d is the common difference. I can rewrite this particular formula, which is sometimes very useful. So what I'll do is I'll split this to a into a plus a, no other change. So n by 2 remains the same, a plus a into n minus 1d. Now if you look at this particular term, okay, and try to match it with the formula of Tn, you find that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. We just saw it here, the formula for Tn. So I can say that instead of this, I can say a is the first term. So the sum, the formula for sum is n by 2 into T1 plus Tn, which is the first term plus last term. First term plus last term. So with this particular light, let's look at this particular problem that we have here. Okay, so we are given that, and the solution is listed here. We are given that Aditya saved rupees 5 in the first week and then started increasing by 1.75. So the first term, the saving of the first week is a is equal to 5, and the common difference, because he is increasing his savings each week by 1.75. So it will be the for the second week. For the second week, it will be 5 plus 1.75. For the third week, it will be 5 plus 2 into 1.75, and so on. So we have been given that the Tn or An is 20.75, and we have to find out what is the value of n. So an or Tn is given as a plus 1 n minus 1 into d. We just saw this particular formula, so we'll substitute the value. So the week in which the last week they're talking about, the saving was 20.75 is equal to a, which is 5. N is the unknown, so n minus 1 into 1.75. So we simply divide this particular 1.75, we take it on this side. So n minus 1 becomes 15.75 upon 1.75. The trick is that you don't divide when the points are there. What you do is you move the points on the numerator and denominator to the right. So I have this particular thing, 15.75 upon 1.75. So I will in effect I am multiplying and dividing the numerator and denominator by 100. So it becomes 1575 divided by 175, which is 16 by 63 by 7, which is, so n minus 1. Remember, this is n minus 1 and not n is equal to 9. Therefore, n is equal to 10. So the final answer is that Aditya, the, the answer is that Aditya in the 10th week would have saved 20.75. That's the answer. Thank you.